or majesty. Ihsan is to relate to the divine on the basis of an awareness of the divine jamal, beauty, and generosity. But you're still the same human subject, and you're still responding to the divine. So muttaqeen in Baqarah, muhsineen here, but it's just the jalal and the jamal, and Imam al-Qushayri has some interesting things to say about that. But you can see, again, the point is that it's mercy and a guide to these people, not to everybody. Because elsewhere, in fact, repeatedly in the Quran, Allah says, يَهْدِ بِهِ كَثِيرًا, He guides many by it, وَيُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا. These are His two names, that He is the guide and the misguider. Al-Hadi is the guider, but also Al-Mudil, the one who leads astray. And He does that through His signs in creation, so we can run into the beauty of creation in order to celebrate it with our arwah and remember Allah, or we can run into creation and forget Allah because it is the nafs that is being activated. And it's the same with the book. Address the book, approach the book with the ruh, and these wonders will start to unveil themselves, and you will get the hudan and the rahmah. Rush into the book on the basis of your own ego and insecurities and hatred and whatever it might be, and you will find that it pushes you away. It repels you. And this again is axiomatic in the believer's appreciation of the book. And Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi compares the Quran to a shy bride. He says she's veiled, and the bridegroom, their newlyweds, wishes to approach her, wishes to unveil her. He wants to see really what the bargain has been, what she looks like. And the rude, importunate, rough lover is so offensive to her that she kind of hides and she draws the veil more closely about herself. But the one who is respectful with adab and a sense of wonderment, she sees that he is what he should be, and she unveils. And this is the Quran with human beings. Either the beauty is unveiled if you approach it with humility and with a living heart, or the Quran just kind of cringes from you if you approach it with arrogance. You can be religious and be arrogant as well. That's actually quite easy. A lot of our people do that. And then the Quran will shrink and shrivel and will be nothing more than a tool which you use in order to make your point or to achieve your goal. So this is identifying wisdom with this process of the ihsan, which allows the heart to open and experience this hudan wa rahmah. So here you get, after this, these people who are the muflihun, the successful. And muflihun has a resonance with Arabic words indicating harvesting. So it's to do with fruitfulness. The heart bears fruit, and the fruit is something which secures a positive outcome in the afterlife.